With the pads cleaned and ready, we can now begin installing the new IC. Before placing the chip, carefully verify its orientation to ensure it matches the circuit design. Precisely align the IC with the pads, confirming each pin corresponds accurately to its solder pad. Gently position the chip onto the pads, avoiding any bending of pins or damage to the component. Then, apply solder evenly across the pins. Once soldering is complete, use tweezers to gently press down on the IC to prevent poor contact or lifted pins. Use the soldering iron to carefully remove any excess solder from the pins and pads. This helps prevent solder bridges and ensures clean, precise connections. Work slowly and methodically to avoid damaging the pads or lifting any pins. During soldering, you can apply a small amount of flux as needed to improve fluidity and ensure better soldering quality. After the soldering is done, visually inspect the solder joints to ensure they are full and free of solder bridges. Testing is next. Stay tuned and follow us for more. See you soon.